Hi everyone, it's Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers. It is Wednesday, January 4th, and I'm super excited because I have a really fun unboxing to do with you today. I have never done one of these before, so it will be a lot of fun. So let me just make sure I'm in the right spot and we will get started. Okay. If you're watching live, say hi. Let me know that you're here, or the replay. You can let me know what you think about all of this. And, yep, it looks like I'm live. And, uh-oh, what did I just do, though? Oh my gosh, this is driving me crazy. Sorry, 1 second. No, I did not want to. Okay. All right. So this box right here that I have is, look at this. This is a new Stampin' Cut Emboss machine. It's the mini one, and you can find it in here, which I'm not allowed to show you inside of here until tomorrow. So I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to break any rules. I almost accidentally got it. Sorry, it took me a second. I was sitting underneath my leg from my last video, and I went to stand up and I couldn't because it was like asleep. So I had to wait a second until I had feeling so I could go and get some scissors to open this up because I didn't want to use my good scissors. So sorry it took a second. But you can earn, I'm going to read how you can earn. So I'm not going to show you the inside, but you can get this machine. There's a way you can get it. If you want to join Stampin' Up starting tomorrow, January 5th through February 28th. This is a $63 value, and you can get it plus $175 of products of your choice. So $175 of products plus this machine, and you only pay $129. So let me tell you, I would love to have you join my team. This is a special edition color. It's called Boho Blue, which is an upcoming color that you'll see in our next catalog. And then what else? We have another option where you can just get the regular white one, or we have option 3 where you can just get the products $175 for only $99. So there's 3 options, but right now we're going to open up the brand new blue machine. Because I'm a demonstrator, I was able to purchase this machine, and it came, but I was waiting till it got closer to Sale-A-Bration to do this. So let me try to carefully open this. There's probably a reason why I've never done anything like this on video before. This might be my first and last, but let me turn it this way and get it open. So I use my mini machine all the time. I love it. It's actually, look at it's sitting right here next to me, the original little mini in white. So let's see what this one is. I figure I can always use another one. All right, so here's what we have. I'm gonna take this off, and then right on the top here we have all of our plates. So we'll open those in just a second, and then woo, look at this. Here is this machine. All right, let me put this down and we will open it up. All right, so it comes already assembled. Now our big machine, you do have to assemble the handle, but the little one comes already put together. Do you see how beautiful this is? This is called Boho Blue. Really, really pretty. And then these panels just pop right down like that. So do you want to compare one to the other? This is the white one, the regular, and this is the new colored one. So they're gonna function exactly the same. It's just the look of this, okay? So here it is, and then you get your pack of your plates. So let me go through these. So here's your directions. You might want to keep those. Now for me, you're going to get, all the plates are numbered. Plate 1, plate 2, and you get 2 plate 2s. These are our clear cutting plates. Look at how beautiful the clear plates are. Now look at my used ones. This is what happens to them, and it's okay. This is what happens when you actually use it. They come like this. Look at, they might even, you see it crack a little. This is just a well-loved machine and plate. These are what they look like after they've been used. These are so beautiful when you get them brand new and they're crystal. But don't worry, you can always buy replacement plates if you need them. And then you get a plate 4. This is for embossing folders, it says. And then your plate 3. Now, I believe it tells you to use plate 1 to do your standard die cutting. I will tell you that I have personally found that it works better if you use plate 3 as your base, a plate, your cardstock, and die in this. So I always use plate number 3, the light gray plate, as my base for doing all of my die cutting. That's just what I have found that works the best. It always feeds through and does great. But maybe you can do the standard plate 1 and yours works great. Anyway, it comes with all the different plates that you need as well. Should we cut something with it? Okay, I have a question. Bobby said, how much does this, how much was it? I just joined. So you can get this when you join Stampin' Up starting tomorrow. This is one of the things for our add-on. It's a $63 value. You cannot purchase this. You can only get the Boho Blue machine if you join with the starter kit. And the starter kit is, for this option, it was $129. You pay $129, but you get the machine plus your choice of $175 worth of products. You could also opt out and get just the white machine for the same deal, but that's how you get it. Okay, to use the machine, let me show you down. Okay, so I don't even have a die over here, do I? So I guess I might not be. I can go, nope, I do, right here. So I have the something fancy dies right here. So these are some labels. All right, let's die cut something here. So these are a brand new set of dies. And so I like to use plate 3 for the bottom, and then you take plate 2. Oh my gosh, this is almost gonna hurt me to use it. Although it's exciting, and I know I can buy new plates, so it's not the end of the world. I do need to cut this down to fit the machine, so I'm just gonna cut a scrap. See, that's why I use these scissors, because now they're all gunky from opening up that package. So this is just a piece of very vanilla cardstock. I'm gonna put that down. I'm gonna, actually it's not, oh, it's shimmer white. I shouldn't have cut that one. Well, this will be a special label. I'm gonna put that there. Then take your plate 2, put it on top, just like that. Now you're just gonna wanna push it so it's going in, and then you just turn your handle and it will crank. It's okay if it makes that sound, just like that. If you're already a demonstrator, yes, you can, you could purchase it in December, but there was a little bit of delay, so I believe it's still available to purchase for a little while. So yep, you can still purchase it. But there's our label, and that's how it works. So easy. I love it because I can just set it right on my desk and work. So here's, look at the first cut. Let me see if you can put that behind. No, you can't see. Try to find a piece of paper so you can see what it looks like once it starts cutting. Do you see it left a little mark in it, and that's normal, and that's okay. So what I typically try to do is keep one for the bottom and one for the top for a long time, and then I flip the top so it doesn't bow. So my little machine, I don't have a problem with them bowing, but they do get cut up pretty good. And but you can buy new ones for like $7 when the time comes. I've only replaced mine once in like a year or so. Because when I do my main die cutting, I use my big machine. So that's the new machine. Again, it comes with everything. I would love to have you join my team. Again, you can get this starting tomorrow with the starter kit. If you guys have any questions, any more questions about that, then you can reach out to me and I can help you with any of that. And I think that's it. Let me see. I'm just seeing if there's any other questions. Hello, everyone. So again, a pretty new machine, comes with everything, and I would have a lot of fun picking out $175 worth of products too, and paying only $129 and then getting this machine. So, okay, does anyone else have any questions? All right. Okay. So yeah, if you're not a demonstrator, I would love to have you join my Owl Star Stamper team. We have so much fun. And yes, tomorrow also I have videos launching of me going page by page through the mini catalog, as well as a separate video going through the Sale-A-Bration. I pre-recorded a lot of videos, but again, I can't publish them until tomorrow morning, so you can be looking forward to that as well. And then I'll be live tomorrow to do a virtual class for you, and every week in the month of January, I'm going to have a class where you can earn the make and takes for free, and a free embellishment and get Sale-A-Bration perks all month long, every week in January. We're gonna kick this Sale-A-Bration off right. Yeah, so the price is $129, but you get the machine plus $175 of your choice. So, so that's what it is to get this machine. It's you pay $129 US plus tax. There's no shipping. And then you pick out $175 of products of your choice, and then you get the machine also. The machine is a $63 value. So that's how that works. If you have the book, it's listed on the very back page. Again, I can't show you till tomorrow, but it's all spelled out for you there too. So that is the exciting thing. And then this is also going to be an upcoming color. All right. Have a great day, everyone. I am going to be creating the cards, finishing up the cards that we're going to create tomorrow and that you can earn for free. So I'm super excited. There's so many amazing new products. I love the Sale-A-Bration choices that you can pick this time. There's only one Sale-A-Bration this year, only January and February. There's not going to be one in March or later in the year. So if there's things you want, I just want to tell you that up front. And it is an amazing deal to join, Lori. You are so right. So if you love Stampin' Up! And their products, there's literally no risk. And if you don't want to stick around with it, you can go back to being my customer. And if you enjoy it and getting your products at a discount, then you can stick around. And my team, we do a lot of fun stuff. And I'll probably do a different video and go over all of the benefits of being a part of my team. We have a team all over the U.S. and you can be as involved as much as you want or as little. So that's totally up to you. But I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to get back to creating. And I'm going to admire my cute little machine on my desk now. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you later. And I got a new computer. And I hope that the lighting looks good. Let me know what you think about the lighting. I feel like it's really clear. It's almost freakishly clear to me. So hopefully it looks good on your end of the screen as well. All right, everyone. I will see you guys tomorrow. I can't wait to show you some amazing products and projects throughout the rest of this month. Bye, everyone.